What are we gonna make today?
Pancakes.
Okay, so we're gonna use this brand. What is that? And Jemima? Huh? Jemima? Jemima? I thought it's Jamaica. I never really read it. Okay, so they have like proportion ingredients here. You can follow this step. So Andrew already mixed the flour with the water, right? And you use whisker to mix it very well. Okay, mix it, please.
Wait, why is there's a...
Okay.
Today, we're gonna cut the butter just like a little bit.
7 years old, making a pancake. Good job.
So when do we do it again?
Gonna turn on to medium heat.
That's me.
Gonna put butter all around the pan.
I'm just gonna wait.
Just leave it until it melts.
Oh, one more piece.
Okay, and next we're going to put the mixed pancake on the pan. Okay, you can do whatever shape you want. So what is that?
I'm gonna make a circle.
You can make like heart too. So you can see there are some bubbles on top. So it tells us that it is ready to be turned, okay? To be flipped. Fine. Uh-oh. What are you doing?
I don't know. It looks like
So he tried to
eggs.
make scrambled eggs.
So now we're gonna
It's ready. Can you show me which one did you make? All of them?
yeah,
Okay. How are you gonna eat? You put syrup? You put butter on top? Oh, same brand. Same lady. Aunt Jemima? What's her name? Okay. Enjoy, right?
It's kind of weird naming Gina topic on. I'm just putting a smiley face.
Trying to make smiley face. Yeah, it's kind of look like smiley face, but like two faces.
Now let me taste it. Go.
Good?
Yeah, this hot. It's really
Careful, okay? Yummy.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and never miss a video. And go on Andrew the Hacker, it's my videos. And go on my dad's videos too. And my mom's videos is really recording. And make a thumbs up and subscribe to their channels. And you don't want to miss a video.